The future simple tense is one of the most commonly used English tenses, indicating an action that will take place at a certain point in the future. Using the future simple tense is relatively straightforward. Typically, it's used when talking about future plans or facts which can be predicted. First, let's take a look at the structure of future simple. It consists of two parts, an auxiliary verb will and the base verb. For example, I will go to the store tomorrow. In this sentence, will is the auxiliary verb and go is the base verb. Will can also be contracted to ll. For example, he'll do it tomorrow. They'll win. The negative is formed simply by adding not. For example, I will not go to the movies with him. Will not can be contracted to won't. It won't snow on Christmas Day. You won't be there until midnight. A question that can be answered with yes and no is formed by changing the word order of will and the pronoun or noun, placing will at the beginning of the sentence. For example, will you come with me? Will Jenny leave? And will they cook for us? A future simple question can also start with why, who, where, when, what, and how. Then, the mentioned word is followed by will, a pronoun or noun, and the rest of the sentence. For example, when will your friend arrive? Who will do all the work, and how will we do it? One of the most common uses of the future simple tense is when making future plans and decisions. It might take the form of a statement of intent, such as I will move to India next year, or an expression of willingness, such as I will help you with your project. It can be used to give instructions too, for instance, you will mix it in the bowl. Future simple can also be used when talking about future timetables or prearranged events. For example, the train will leave at 9 a.m., the wedding will take place in August, and the meeting will start at 11 a.m. Another common use of the future simple is when making predictions. These can be predictions based on present evidence, such as it will rain later today, or predictions about a future that is not certain. For example, she will pass the test. It's also possible to use the future simple when talking about potential or hypothetical situations too. For instance, he won't know what to do if you don't help him. Lastly, will can be used for promises and threats. For example, I will help you with your assignment, or if you don't stop, I'll tell your parents. To summarize, the future simple tense is a versatile verb form that can be used in many different contexts. It can be used when making future plans, expressing willingness, giving instructions, talking about timetables and prearranged events, making predictions, and hypothesizing. If you liked this video, give it thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check out other videos from this channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.